Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm taking a quick break from the mental abuse that the engine's been giving me, and I'll be reviewing a product that's been sent to me thanks to your love and support. So a big thank you to all of you out there. So this product is from a company called Life. I recently did a OEM Android Auto and Apple CarPlay head unit replacement for my Infiniti, and they were kind enough to send me one of these. It's an external unit, and for me who has a car like the Tiburon, it's old, it doesn't have any features. This is perfect. It's also not permanent, you can remove it anytime, so I thought this would be a great product to review. It comes with a suction mount base, aux cable, USB-C power cable with a quick charge 3.0 adapter, and the main unit. So there isn't much to it, it's super easy to install, so let's get in the car and get to it. So on the left side of the screen we have the power, aux, camera if you want to install that, SD card, microphone, and data. So this is if you wanted to do a wired Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you would use that, but this unit has wireless, so that's amazing. And everything else is pretty clean. The adapter that they gave you is a quick charge 3.0, that's awesome. And the main power cable is a USB-C, it's braided, and it's 90 degrees, so that's a very good attention to detail. And lastly, the mount, it has 2 degrees of motion right here, so you can pretty much place it however you want. I'm gonna put mine directly onto the windshield, but if you wanted to mount it on the dash, you can do that as well with this. First, I'm gonna mount the suction onto the unit, click, and then kind of put it like that. I want it like flush with the bottom like this so that it doesn't shake. Yep, I think that's good enough. And then the cable. There we go. And that's it, guys. Literally took like 2 minutes. I don't like how there's this cable, but if you really wanted to put that as a permanent place, you could tuck in the wires. But just for testing, I'm just gonna leave it. So here we go. Connected worlds. I'm gonna turn off the light. There we go. There it is. Okay, so that booted up fine. I already have it connected to my Bluetooth. That wasn't a problem at all. So it's connected to my phone, and I don't have anything connected to my phone. This is from a microphone, so we do that. There we go, and now it's activated Android Auto. Nothing on my phone. Activated. So this is like the best way to, I think, install Android Auto. You can have everything. And the other thing is music. You have the option to do it through aux, but for a wireless install, I have the FM transmitter 93.10, and I also have my radio set to 93.1. So if I play music, let's see, go, turn up the volume. That's awesome. So I'm basically only going to be using this for Android Auto, so you know everything I need is there. This is same exact Android Auto as anything else. And if you really wanted to, you could enable this device mirror function and go to phone link, USB tether. Oh yeah, view, download, open, install. Okay, so it's downloading the auto link automatically. Agree. Retry with plug cable. So I'm gonna take it off and put it back in. Okay. Start now. Oh yeah, and there it is. I do that. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. I'm gonna go to YouTube and play, for copyright reasons, I'm gonna play one of my videos.
It's on my desk by EOD.
There we go. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, that's it. I mean, pretty basic. That's all you need. Super responsive. No lag whatsoever. So I've actually been using this for a couple days, and really it's so much better than like holding your phone and driving. So highly recommend this product. And I'm not just saying that because this was sent to me, but it is really everyday game changer for me. If you guys are interested in trying out the product, I'll have an 8% off discount coupon code in the description below. And if you do get it, let me know how you like it. I'm very interested to know. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.